Okay, so this was a subscriber request. We're going to show you how to use the air fryer. We have a Ninja air fryer. This air fryer has the capability to air fry, reheat, roast, and dehydrate. Tonight we're going to be air frying some sweet potatoes to go with the beef shoulder that John made. So to show you how to start it, you always want to preheat your air fryer. So to preheat, you hit the power button. You want to do your temp about 350, and then depending on what you're cooking, so tonight for the sweet potato, I'm just going to preheat it for 5 minutes. And then you'll hit start. It makes a little noise, and then you have your countdown right in the front. Once it's done preheating, it'll turn off on its own. Then once it turns off, I will remove the basket, which is here, and I will show you how to do that once it's preheated. Okay, so our preheat is done. So we're going to remove our tray. It does come with a rack in it. This gives you the ability to cook multiple things in it. For today's purposes, we're just going to take the rack out. Okay, so we removed the rack. As you can see, this bottom portion, that's where all your fats and grease and juices and all that stuff is going to drain. That is removable, and we'll show you how to clean it up once we're done cooking with it. So before you cook, you want to spray the inside with a non-stick spray. Like so. And then as I said, we're going to cook sweet potatoes. I have these already mixed with butter, melted butter on there, so they're ready to go. So you want to keep the bottom just covered. You don't want to put too many in there because they won't cook evenly. So about like so. Alright, so we're going to cook this. So again, we're going to hit the power button, and then we're going to set our temp at 350, and then we're going to start out at 10 minutes. At 10 minutes, we're going to check. We're going to pull our basket out and shake them really good, and that tosses them in there. So again, everything is cooking evenly. So to start, we're just going to hit start, and we've got 10 minutes. Check back. Okay, we're going to go ahead and check the potatoes. So to do that, we're just going to pause it. So you hit the start button again, pull your rack out, and those dudes are done. So be careful, the basket is hot. We're just going to dump them down in our bowl. And then it's still kind of greasy in there, so we're not going to spray anything else in there for our second batch. Go ahead and tell you cleaning techniques. It does have a non-stick surface, so for non-stick surfaces we don't want to use an abrasive rag or sponge or anything like that. So and also soap a lot of times can remove the non-stick surface, so just use a warm washcloth and wipe the inside out, and then dry, and then store.